Welcome to Mr. Tech and get ready to be blown away. We've got awesome machines, crazy moments caught on camera, and sounds you won't believe. Buckle up, because things are about to get wild. Cutting down a tree on a hillside brings its own set of challenges that differ from working on flat terrain. The slope plays a major role in determining the tree's fall direction, making accurate calculations essential to prevent hazardous kickbacks or rolling. Factors such as the tree's lean, root system, and even the wind's direction become more critical on an incline. A skilled logger carefully evaluates these aspects and makes precise cuts to ensure the tree falls safely and under control.
Oh yeah!
Plan for every potential scenario and ensure your escape route is clear. These are the key things to keep in mind when you begin cutting down a tree. Those roads can really catch you off guard. One moment you're cruising along, and the next you're stuck up to your axles in mud. Gotta hand it to them for knowing when to lighten the load. That's what friends are for, isn't it? Always good to have someone looking out for you out there. This is a 6-ounce, 175 grams charge, bringing down a large 18-inch diameter tree. The shockwave almost knocks the camera off car. Boost your wood chipping productivity with the Petzolato PTH 1400/1000ALLROAD. Powered by a 700 horsepower Volvo engine, this self-propelled chipper provides an impressive 380 cubic meters per hour output. Its 1400 by 1100 millimeter inlet enhances throughput for most medium and small trees, dramatically cutting down processing time. Check out the video to see this game-changing advantage in action. Picture the unseen dangers hiding in those root balls, ready to catch unsuspecting observers off guard. It's enough to send shivers down your spine, right? That's why staying informed and prepared is absolutely essential in this line of work. Proof you can't depend on a dodge when it counts. Now this is what I'd call a real challenge. We're working with an impressive maple, and that root ball speaks volumes about its age and power. But cutting through something this massive takes more than just strength. It requires precision, expertise, and a true appreciation for the tree. So let's watch as they expertly and thoughtfully bring this grand maple back to the ground. Wow, this perfectly illustrates why proper training and top-notch equipment are so important. The operator's skill is clearly exceptional, but without a dependable machine, this job would be a lot tougher. Remember, everyone, invest in quality gear and always put safety first. Have you ever seen a professional logger in action? It's incredible. They assess a tree as if they can read its mind. Knowing precisely where it will land not only keeps them safe, but also protects the entire crew. Now that's true skill. All right, everyone, get ready for this. Meet the Clearman HD848. It's about to blow you away. With 2 heads and double the power, it's built to tackle some serious bark. This machine is a powerhouse, and it's here to take over. You won't want to miss this incredible demo. This situation underscores the importance of remaining calm under pressure. The driver faced an obstacle, evaluated the circumstances, and came up with a solution. It's a true display of his skill and composure, a lesson we can all learn from. The wood chipper, a high-powered tool essential for forestry work, turns logs into wood chips with impressive efficiency. The Petzolato PTH900 plays a key role in promoting sustainable forestry, as the chips serve various purposes like mulch, biomass energy production, or particle board manufacturing. Its roaring engine reflects the power needed to process hefty logs with ease. This streamlined performance supports the sustainable cycle of replenishing forest resources on time. Well, what do we have here? A 1987 Peterbilt 359, shining in all its glory. 425 horsepower of pure American steel, built to conquer the open road. And Old Smoky Jerk? Now that's a name with character, just like its owner, no doubt. This right here is what I'd call top-tier land clearing. The Woodcracker G1250, paired with a Hyundai Robex 260, makes quick work of those stubborn stumps, pulling them out with ease. It's a total game changer, folks. Say goodbye to backbreaking effort and hello to smooth, efficient extraction. Your land will be prepped and ready for a fresh start in no time. That tractor, a testament to engineering prowess, channeled every ounce of its horsepower to fell the decaying behemoth. However, meticulous planning is crucial to ensure the tree's descent follows a safe trajectory, minimizing collateral damage. The Ponce Scorpion King stands as a true innovation in forestry technology. With a robust engine that combines exceptional performance and fuel efficiency, it gets the job done while keeping costs down. Its advanced processing system expertly handles various timber types with remarkable accuracy, And the ergonomic cabin is designed with operator comfort and visibility in mind. If you need a dependable powerhouse, the Scorpion King is your go-to choice. Wow, I've witnessed plenty of changes in the logging industry, but the K-Mox F175 is in a class of its own. Running a skidder remotely with that level of precision, that's seriously impressive, and it's definitely going to make a huge impact in the field. Wow. In this video, we saw the incredible power of the Gilbert Pro 25 mobile sawmill as it smoothly cut through those stunning red pine logs. It was definitely an impressive sight. Westex engineers have truly raised the bar with the Woodcracker G1650. It's not just the impressive 1650mm working width that stands out, but also the smart design that boosts efficiency and cuts down on downtime. This rake is built to last, featuring tough components and a solid frame that can handle even the harshest conditions. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire.
Oh my.
Need a dependable and efficient log splitter? Take a look at the SplitX 450. It's a breeze to hook up to your excavator and can handle logs as wide as 470 millimeters. Crafted from tough hard ox steel, it's built for durability. With the SplitX 450, you'll be splitting logs like a pro in no time. The John Deere 959 KII feller buncher, outfitted with the Quadco 28C hot saw head, greatly enhances felling efficiency. Thanks to the 959 KII's strong tractive effort and excellent maneuverability, paired with the 28C's fast cutting cycle, it maximizes timber harvesting performance, especially in areas with large diameter trees. This leads to higher productivity and lower operational costs. Looking to break free from the daily grind? Immerse yourself in the serene beauty of Slovakian forests with this peaceful video. Follow the path of timber from its origin in Pila, Jarnovica district, to its ultimate destination. Pure tranquility Prepare to be awestruck. The ground will shake, the air will crackle, and your heart will race as these colossal machines conquer the forest. It's a visual and auditory feast you won't want to miss. In Norway, a large spruce tree toppled onto a 22 kilovolt power line, leading workers to blow it up to remove the danger and ensure safety.
Mycket grejer så men
This is timber takedown at its finest. The stakes are high, the pressure is on. One wrong move and it's game over. But these guys, they're pros. Watch the teamwork, the focus, the sheer power. It's a battle of man versus nature, and who's gonna win? Stay tuned. Whoa, that tree went down with a vengeance. Like it was mad at the logger or something. Good thing he didn't get hurt. That could have been nasty. Let me tell you, this Mazzy 6x6 is a whole different beast. It's got effortless power and conquers any terrain with ease. When it comes to the toughest tasks, this is the machine you need. Absolutely remarkable.
Ай, блядь. Задушили.
The Fegan Australia RT60 is a compact mulcher head designed for mid-sized and smaller skid steers with hydraulic flow rates from 64 to 114 liters per minute. It features a FNMX rotor for fine uniform chips and can clear up to 1 acre per hour, depending on vegetation. Weighing 607 kilograms, it includes 22 cutting tools like the cubit knife and cubit carbide for versatile performance on various terrains. The RT60 is a powerful, efficient solution for land clearing tasks. Man, that dude was going to town on that monster stump. I mean, he was giving it everything he had, and bam, the thing finally gave way. What a beast. This kind of content creation often takes a heavy toll, both on their health and their financial stability. It's a trade-off that warrants deeper scrutiny. The Lemix stump shear, when paired with the impressive hydraulic power of a Hitachi EX200 excavator, becomes a formidable tool for land clearing and site preparation. Its robust design and precisely engineered blades ensure efficient removal of stumps and roots, even in challenging soil conditions. This combination significantly boosts productivity, making it a preferred choice for professionals in forestry, construction, and demolition. This LKT81ITL has such a compact and striking design. It almost looks like a toy, but don't let its appearance fool you, especially when it comes to this skidder. Once you see it in action, you'll witness the raw power of a true beast of a machine. Whoa, that was intense. I really hope his hand is all right. I don't believe the phrase, united we stand, divided we fall, really fits in this context. Have you ever seen a professional logger in action? It's incredible. They assess a tree as if they can read its mind, knowing precisely where it will land, Not only keeps them safe, but also protects the entire crew. Now that's true skill. A compelling example of traditional forestry methods. You can really see the harmony between humans, animals, and machinery here. The horses offer a sustainable power source, perfectly suited for this landscape, while the grapple loader enhances overall efficiency. This approach reduces environmental impact while staying true to proven, time-honored practices. No more dealing with pesky little wood splitters. The Bell's 4000 is here, packing a mighty 67 horsepower engine and a massive saw blade that can easily handle logs up to 20 inches in diameter in no time. On top of that, its enclosed conveyor system delivers the split wood straight to you. Pretty awesome, right? Hauling these giants is a meticulous job. It requires a deep knowledge of the vehicle, sharp attention to road conditions, and a strong respect for the logistics. The drivers make it seem easy, but trust me, it's a high-risk performance. Every move they make is carefully planned, and every mile they cover showcases their outstanding expertise. Sick of those ugly stumps messing up your yard? The JD7730 and Rotor S stump cutter have got you covered. This powerhouse duo tackles stumps of all sizes with ease, leaving your landscape looking fresh and ready for your next project. Wave goodbye to the mess and hello to a stunning, stump-free property. Comtech Crambo is arguably the leading root stump shredder on the market. Its high-throughput design, combined with aggressive teeth and a powerful engine, ensures efficient and reliable performance even with the toughest stumps. Durability is also a key feature, thanks to the Crambo's robust construction and wear-resistant components. The Ponzi Ergo, an icon in forestry. Built for unmatched reliability, it boasts a 250-degree turning radius and an impressive 11-meter crane reach. Whether it's thinning or regeneration felling, even on steep slopes, its powerful winch gets the job done. Productivity through the roof. Of course, the quintessential log drive. Watch as those massive trucks, loaded with timber, roll into the staging area at Snass Lake. This is where the real excitement kicks off. Each log is carefully released into the water, coming together to create a massive raft, ready to embark on a challenging journey to the mills. Everyone's looking for a machine that's strong, dependable, and user-friendly, right? Well, Vermeer listened. The HG6800TX checks all the boxes. It's built tough to handle any task, smart enough to get it done efficiently, and rugged enough to keep performing day in and day out. This is the one you've been waiting for. Let's be honest, dealing with tree stumps can be a real hassle. But with the Green Tech Piranha, it's as easy as a Sunday stroll. This machine is built for peak performance, featuring a state-of-the-art grinding head that tackles stumps of any size with ease. Take it from me, an arborist with 2 decades of experience, this tool is the game changer you've been waiting for. Picture this. You're slicing through logs with ease. No hassle, no hard work. That's the Hockey Pilka 43 Pro in action. Built with the user at its core, it takes the effort out of firewood production. Thanks to its smart controls and durable construction, this machine is a true game changer for both seasoned pros and everyday users. When you see the Ponce Scorpion, you instantly know it's extraordinary. It's like blending the brilliance of nature with cutting-edge engineering. That robust harvester head and the smooth motion of the cabin are all